actually sunk in with the girls, the way you all celebrated. It was such an emotional moment that day. How's the feeling like you, the world champions? Has it sunk in?
Thank you very much for the wishes. Slowly it's sinking in, but what a night it was. It was one of the best nights of my life. Amazing feeling, and the players were right at the center. They were really emotional, but that's what it meant for them to win a World Cup.
Of course, sir. The performance of the girls, I mean, could you have asked for more considering the fact that, the start wasn't as you would have liked, but then to claw your way back, coming to the semi-final, beating a team like Australia, who were on a 15-match winning streak for the World Cup, and to beat that team and get into the final, how was that?
It's been surreal. This entire campaign has been surreal. We started off nicely with 2 wins, and then we lost those matches. Loss is a very harsh word, I feel. We just couldn't go and cross a line on those occasions. But the way these players came back and fought it out in the middle, it just goes to show what characters they are. And the fight that they showed against Australia, Australia has been a dominant force in world cricket, and ये करना है, एडिट करना, थोड़ा सा आवाज़ थोड़ा वहाँ पे जाएंगे क्या? ठीक. No, and the way they came back against Australia, and then the finals, it happened. The emotions were all absolutely flowing. So it's just an amazing campaign, and I'm really happy and thrilled for these girls that they've become world champions.
Of course, sir, talking about the way final pressure, which have beaten the Australians, and it was such an emotionally charged matches where you've beaten the world champions Australia and then get into the final. The job was not done yet because that was just a milestone or stepping stone, and then you had the all-important final match. So considering that final match, how crucial it was for you as a coach to keep you, Avishkar Sagi and everyone, to keep the girls focused that yes, you have won the big battle, but the real trophy needs to be conquered now. How challenging it was for you to keep them all focused for the final, stay in the moment?
Look, 30th October was the day when we beat Australia in the semi-finals. The euphoria was huge, as you would know, that everyone was celebrating that win because Australia has been such a dominant force in women's cricket for the last 2 decades. I don't know how many decades actually, but it was important to be in 2nd November and focus on 2nd November, because if you would have stayed in the euphoria of 30th October, then things wouldn't have gone our way. So it was very important to get back to reality, that we are into the finals, but yes, this is the last hurdle to cross, and credit to everyone that we stayed in the present, and 2nd November has been etched into Indian cricket's history that the women's team has gone on to become the world champions.
बैट्समैन के तौर पे शुरुआत की, फर्स्ट क्लास से आप कभी इंटरनेशनल खेलने का मौका नहीं मिला, लेकिन आज आपको वर्ल्ड चैंपियन कोच के तौर पे देखा जा रहा है। इस सब से आप कैसे निकल रहे हैं अभी बाहर, या अभी इन सब नहीं किया?
अभी तक तो इधर ही है हम। देखिए, जी हाँ, जितना मैंने क्रिकेट खेला, 20 साल फर्स्ट क्लास क्रिकेट खेला, वो दौर अलग था। वो मैं पार्क कर चुका हूँ एक जगह पे, और बड़ी शिद्दत से मेहनत की। बिल्कुल जो करना था एज अ क्रिकेटर, एज अ प्लेयर, वो मैं कर चुका हूँ। 2014 में जब मैं रिटायर हुआ, वो मैं माई लाइफ वन पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ हैज एंडेड ओवर देयर, एंड अभी कोचिंग की शुरुआत ही है, और जी हाँ, एक्सपीरियंस तो है। मैं राजस्थान रॉयल्स के लिए IPL में कोच था, फिर साउथ अफ्रीका टेस्ट टीम के लिए बैटिंग कंसल्टेंट रह चुका था। थोड़ा थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस गैदर करके फिर आज मैं इंडियन वुमेन्स टीम का कोच बना 2 साल पहले। तो एक जर्नी अच्छी रही है, क्रिकेट से जुड़ी हुई है, और यहाँ से निकलने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा है।
तो क्रिकेट फैटर्निटी की बात, जब से वर्ल्ड कप जीते फील कर रही है आपको, और हर कोई ये कह रहा है कि वर्ल्ड चैंपियन बनने के लिए, बनाने के लिए नहीं, या बल्ला पकड़ के ही मैदान में उतरे। आपकी एक टीम को भी तैयार किया जा सकता है, वो टीम जो शायद वर्ल्ड कप शुरू से पहले कोई सोच भी नहीं पा रहा था कि ये इसका कमाल कर पाएगी। ये इस पर आप क्या कुछ कहेंगे?
ये जो किया है वो सब प्लेयर्स ने ही किया है, बट ये इस टीम में वो मेहनत करने की क्षमता है, इस टीम में वो अचीव करने की क्षमता है जो किसी ने पहले नहीं की। और ये मैं हमेशा मानते रहा हूँ कि और कहते भी रहा हूँ उनको कि यू वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. We could become the best in the world if we work hard and if we work honestly. There's no stopping, because there is talent that is there to see. We are a talented side, skilled side. Just अच्छी और शिद्दत से मेहनत करने की जरूरत थी.
प्रधानमंत्री को शर्ट गिफ्ट किया गया था, नमो शर्ट्स पे सब फोटोग्राफ था, उनसे मिलना वो क्या अनुभव था, उसको अपने में बयां करें?
It was a surreal feeling, to be very honest. We are grateful and we are really thankful to the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. He spent so much time just chatting and spending that time with all the players and the support staff as well. It was a surreal moment, and which will be cherished by everyone. All 37 of us who were there present, we will cherish those moments throughout our life.
आप प्रेसिडेंट से मिलने जा रहे हैं, आप लोग क्या कुछ तैयारी हो गई? तो हाईलाइट होगा कि भारत के राष्ट्रपति से आप लोग मिलेंगे आज?
Again, we are into that bubble only. Yesterday it was the Honorable Prime Minister, and today it's the Honorable President that we're going to meet. It's been unreal for the last 3-4 days, and may it continue. But we are very excited for this opportunity.
शायद आगे तो होगा, पर ये सोशल मीडिया आपने अभी तक गो थ्रू नहीं किया होगा मेरे ख्याल से, लेकिन सोशल मीडिया पे आप छा गए, रील बन चुकी है। आपको ये कहा जा रहा है कि इसकी मूवी बनी तो स्क्रिप्ट की जरूरत नहीं है, और चक देगा शाहरुख खान से आपको कंपेयर किया जा रहा है।
देखिए, आप अगर मुझे जानते हैं तो मैं ज़रा भी ड्रामेटिक पर्सन नहीं हूँ. मैं जो हूँ सो हूँ. मैंने देखा नहीं है सोशल मीडिया, लास्ट 2 महीने से मैं बंद कर चुका हूँ. That is something which I had promised myself, that I'll just stay away from this, because I wanted to get into the high pressure tournament as this World Cup. तो अभी चेंजेस तो नहीं कर सकता हूँ मैं, but it's amazing how people are receiving it, the love and the happiness that they are sharing on the social media and everywhere else. It's just amazing to see. India is a great country.
Sir, yes, when 1983 changed Indian cricket, will this change Indian women's cricket?
I hope so. It's been I've always said this, that it's a watershed moment for I wouldn't say Indian cricket team. I would say for Indian sports. It's a watershed moment that what this team has achieved. Hopefully, it goes on, and we can break some barriers from here on. Thank you.